Welcome to Math Made Easy with Frida. Today we will be working with fourth roots made easy on this channel. Okay, fourth roots. If you haven't watched my previous videos, I have covered square roots and third roots and how to find them easily. Today we will go into fourth roots. The fourth root of 81. We know the fourth root of 81 is equal to 3 only because 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. A number multiplied by itself 4 times gave me 81. We know the fourth root of 16 is equal to 2 only because number multiplied 4 times by itself gave me 16. That's very simple. We covered even third roots, which is basically the same pattern that is being followed. But when we come to even square roots like 4, 6, 8, and so on, we cannot have negative, like a fourth root of negative 16. Such a number is not a real number, and we will not get real answers. Let's see the proof. If I have a negative 2 into negative 2 to negative 2 into negative 2 and I multiply all this, I get positive 16. And if I get 2 into 2 into 2 to 2, I still get positive 16. All right. So that's why we cannot have a negative root for an even number like 2, 4, 6, and 8 in your radical sign. So let's get into practice. What if I have to find the fourth root of 1 over 16? We know that 1 into 1 into 1 is equal to 1. So we can write this as the fourth root of 1 over the fourth root of 16. The fourth root of 1 is 1 and the fourth root of 16 is 2. So this works out to be half. What about the fourth root of 81 over 16? 81, let's find the factors. 27, 3, 9, 3, 3. So 81 is equal to 3 to the power of 4 and 16 is equal to 2 to the power of 4. So that's simple. We can split it into 2 into fourth root of 81 over the fourth root of 16, which is the fourth root of 3 to the power of 4 over the fourth root of 2 to the power of 4. These powers cancel each other and we get 3 over 2 as our solution, which is 1.5. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up. And if you want to practice every day, please subscribe to my channel as I post every day. Till next time, have a nice day.